What's up, Polygon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, I'm talking about the good news of Polygon Matic. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, the people ask me questions about Polygon Matic, that when will the price of Polygon Matic increase. So friends, I have an answer for you. Now you have to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button now for more this kind of news and updates videos. If you have any questions about Dogecoin, about Polygon Matic, any cryptocurrency, so please ask me in a comment box. I will try to answer your question and next video, my friends. Now let's see the latest update of Polygon Matic. So if you look the price of Polygon Matic this time in the market, so 1.81 USD dollar is the latest price of Polygon. On the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of Polygon, so 0.00004681 USD dollar. My friends, other side, oh my goodness, my friends, as I told you that there's a good news for all of you. Now in the last 1 hour, the price of Polygon Matic is increased in the last 1 hour. So now they start moving upward, now they start jumping. So at this time the price of Polygon Matic is increased. It's a good news. But I have another good news for all of you. I have another good news for all of you, that Polygon Matic will take a huge pump on 6th June. On 6th June, there's a lot of chances to they take a huge jump. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on at this time in Polygon Matic? You can see here the Polygon Matic last 1 month price chart. From the previous last week, the price of Polygon Matic is going straight. But now in the end of this week, there's a lot of chances to they take a huge pump on the 6th June. On the 6th June, the price of Polygon Matic will increase very fastly in the market. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.